Welcome to a short tutorial on using glogster. Glogster is a poster creating piece of software. It can be used for many different reasons. Now you need to sign up, and we don't want to do one of the paid versions. It is used for education quite a lot now. They've changed recently. So we're going to do the free version. And we need to have a nickname and password, the same as with most of the software that we use. So enter password, confirm. We need to put an email in. First name, last name. It really doesn't matter what you put in. Need to put a birthday, it doesn't have to be the real day. Got to choose the country that you're in. And there's a code that you need to enter. Oh, I forgot the city. You need to put the city in, and when you put the city in, you'll also have to choose your school. This will pop up. And Embassy English. Okay. Agree to the terms and sign up. It'll send you an email, and just click confirm, and then you'll be able to create. I'm going to start with one of the easiest. We can do things in either portrait or landscape. We're going to do portrait, and we're going to make a little sort of information brochure about a city. It loads up. Sometimes it's a bit slower than others. Any items that we don't want, there are various tools, and we just click on the bin if we want to remove things. It's always populated with a couple of items. We're going to use this one just for speed. Now we've got text inside this little bubble, and all we have to do is double click, and you can see that there are different fonts and sizes. There's the same bold and italic, and we can center or left or right. We can make it larger or smaller. I'm just going to move it over there to the top. What else do we want to put in? Well, because we're doing a little brochure, my students have taken some photos, and this city information brochure was about a city in Austria that they came from. Upload the image. It takes a few seconds, and when it loads up, we just click on it. I'm going to add a frame so it looks more like a little brochure. And we can move it, we can angle it and turn it to give different effects so it looks less like a Word document. We can resize it by dragging. I'm going to put some text in. Here's a text that a student had already done, and I put it on a purple menu background, and I'm going to change its position. At the moment it's in front of things. I'm going to move it so it's behind, so we can overlay some of the items slightly. Now if you can imagine, this is repeated for more pieces of text and more photos. You can make quite a large item if you wish. I'm going to put a little arrow on it. My students love arrows. That relates to the cakes in that section of the text. Save, give it a name, visit my city, save it. Now when you save it, you need to choose where it comes from and the grade. I'm going for 10. It's quite simple. Writing, doesn't really matter what you choose here. You can tag it if you wish. It gives you the URL, so we know what the title is to find it again. Going to finish saving. Don't worry about it being public. You have to be able to find it. Copy the link so we can email it to other people to show it, so they can email it to the teacher. Going to have a quick look to see what it looks like. And there it is. You can print it, you notice by the icons, you can print it directly.